Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, I missed my online meeting. I forgot to set a reminder.
Oh no, that happens to many people.
I wrote the time on paper, but I did not look at the paper.
Today we will practice simple English for reminders, calendar times, and one clear apology.
Good. I need calendar English before my next mistake.
First, say the problem clearly.
I forgot set a reminder.
Very close. After forgot, use to plus the simple verb. I forgot to set a reminder.
I forgot to set a reminder. I forgot to set, not I forgot set.
Exactly. That is our grammar contrast. You can say I set a reminder when you do it. You can say I forgot to set a reminder when you did not do it.
I forgot to set a reminder. Clear and painful.
Useful and honest.
What is reminder?
A reminder is a message or sound that helps you remember something.
Like my phone says meeting soon.
Yes, your phone can remind you.
Can I say my phone reminds me?
Yes, that is good. My phone reminds me before the meeting.
My phone reminds me before the meeting. I usually say my phone remind me. I forget the S.
Good notice. With my phone, say reminds.
My phone reminds me before the meeting.
Perfect. Now say when the meeting is.
The meeting is on 3.
For clock time, use at. The meeting is at 3.
The meeting is at 3. At 3, not on 3.
Right? Use at with the time.
The meeting is at 3. My reminder is at 2:50.
Nice. You can also say 10 minutes before. I set the reminder for 10 minutes before.
I set the reminder for 10 minutes before. Why for?
Here, for points to the reminder time you choose.
I set the reminder for 10 minutes before.
Great. Now, if you already missed the meeting, say sorry and give one next step.
Sorry, I forget the meeting.
Since it happened in the past, say forgot. Sorry, I forgot the meeting.
Sorry, I forgot the meeting.
Then add a next step. I will check the notes now.
I will check the notes now. That is better than only sorry.
Yes, sorry plus one action sounds responsible.
Responsible means I show I will handle it.
Exactly. Let us make a short message.
Okay, I will send it to my teammate. Sorry, I forgot the meeting. I will check the notes now.
Good. Add one more sentence if you need help. Could you send me the link?
Could you send me the link? Link is easy. My problem is remembering to click it.
Then the reminder helps.
I will set one reminder, maybe 2.
2 can be useful, but one clear sentence is enough for English. Now let us practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
I forgot to set a reminder. The meeting is at 3. I set the reminder for 10 minutes before. Sorry, I forgot the meeting.
Good. Now let's switch. Everyone listening, make your own reminder sentence. You can say I set the reminder for 5 minutes before. Or you can say I set the reminder for 1 hour before. Now say your own sentence.
I set the reminder for 1 day before. Is that okay?
Yes, if the thing is important. Now let us hear one natural version. Benji, when is your next meeting?
It is at 3 tomorrow.
Did you set a reminder?
Yes, I set the reminder for 10 minutes before.
Good. And if you missed something?
I can say sorry, I forgot the meeting. I will check the notes now.
Nice. Notice the new sentence in that natural talk. Did you set a reminder?
That question is useful because someone can check with me.
Exactly. Did you set a reminder?
Yes, I set one now.
Today we learned I forgot to set a reminder. The meeting is at 3 and I set the reminder for 10 minutes before.
And if I miss something, I can say sorry and give one next step.
Exactly. So before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What do you need a reminder for today? A meeting, a class, medicine, or a small task?
Write one simple sentence in the comments. I need a reminder for my meeting.
We would love to read them and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want. and I'll catch you in the next one.